Today we are going to talk about counterfeits or counterfeit drugs. The WHO definition for these counterfeit medicines. The counterfeit medicine is one which is deliberately and fraudulently mislabeled with respect to its identity source. What is counterfeit medicine? Counterfeit medicine is one which is deliberately and fraudulently mislabeled with respect to its identity and so counterfeiting can apply to both branded and generic products. They may use the branded products as well as generic products both. And counterfeit product with the correct ingredient. There is a chance they may include the product with the correct ingredient or with active ingredient or without with sufficient active ingredient or insufficient active ingredient or with fake packaging, right? So these are the chances of counterfeit medicines or counterfeit drugs. Now there is one more term that is called as the spurious drug. Now spurious, a drug shall be deemed to be spurious if it is manufactured under a name which belongs to the another drug, if it is an imitation of another drug, or if it has a substituted wholly or partly by another drug, or if it is wrongly claimed to be the product of another manufacturer. What they are trying to say? Spurious drug. Spurious drug shall be deemed to be spurious if it is manufactured under a name which belongs to the other another drug. If it is an imitation of another drug, or if it has a substituted wholly or partly by another drug, or if it is wrongly claimed to be product of the another manufacturer. Misleading drugs, spurious drugs, they are misleading drugs. Means what they are trying to say, spurious drugs can be imitation of another drug. It can be imitation of another drug, means they are using the wrong manufacturer name. They are using the incorrect or they are using the fraud or fake manufacturer name, or what they are trying to say, if it has substituted wholly or partly by another drug, or it wrongly claims to be the product of another manufacturer, means this is called as the spurious drug. Okay. Now, in terms of counterfeit and their magnitude, the products reported can be grouped into the six categories. They are reported into the six categories. Now, product without active ingredient. Product without active ingredient, just imagine. Product without active ingredient 32.1. So you have to be very, very careful while purchasing medicines. You have to be very careful because these counterfeit medicines or spurious medicines are available in the clinical market nowadays. Because products without active ingredient, there is no active ingredient and still they are selling those drugs. So, and the means 32.1 percentage, just imagine, products with wrong ingredient means they are selling the drugs or medicine with wrong ingredient 21.4%. After that, product with incorrect quantities of the active ingredient, incorrect quantities, there is a problem with the strength 20.2%. Product with correct quantities of active ingredient but with fake packaging. Fake packaging, they come under the spurious drug 15.6. Copies of an original drug 1%. Directly they copy. Then product with high level of impurities and contaminants 8.5%. So just imagine how much we are. So be careful while choosing or purchasing or buying these medicines from online or your pharmacy store. So please be careful. So these are the counterfeit Lipitor. Examples they are giving Lipitor, and means you have to be very much conscious while purchasing these medicines. The counterfeit Lipitor tablet is on the right are from the authentic tablet on the left. Lipitor is the drug of Pfizer. It's a drug of Pfizer, and you just can't recognize or identify which one is fake and which one is original. The counterfeit Lipitor tablet is on the right. The counterfeit Lipitor tablet is on the right, nearly identical from the authentic tablet on the left, only distinguishable to the consumer by their bitter taste. More than 18 million counterfeit Lipitor tablets were removed from the US supply chain in 2003. Just imagine, in the United States of America, they have removed 18 million counterfeit Lipitor tablets, right? So you have to be very careful while purchasing medicines from the market, clinical market. Now Pfizer also sells the Viagra. The Viagra pill cost for $15 in US, not in India. In India I think it is nearly about 100 rupees. To get it, you have to go to the doctor and talk about your erectile dysfunction issues, right? This knockoff cost for $1. You can order it over the internet without prescription or potential embarrassment. It might work. It might also contain the brick dust or worse. Means this is a fake product. What we are trying to say, this Viagra tablet is nothing but the fake product, because it is not going to contain that sildenafil. It is not going to contain that active ingredient. It may contain the brick dust or anything else which will destroy or which will damage your kidneys, liver, your body functions. So be careful while purchasing all these medicines from the online or offline market. The drugs commonly counterfeited includes antibiotic, hormones, analgesics, steroids, and antihistaminics. The drugs that top the list are the Novomox, ciprofloxacin, Sporidex, penicillin, norfloxacin, ranitidine, paracetamol, crocin, Cofdex. All these are the counterfeit tablets or counterfeit medicines or counterfeit drugs which is available in the clinical market. So please be aware while purchasing all these drugs.